Hey, I wanted to make a quick video on the installation of an underground downspout drainage that system I bought from waterproof.com. So this is part of a waterproofing my basement. It's a multi-step process. So the one thing I'm trying to do here is get the water away from the house when it rains. So here's the system. This is the bubbler where the water comes out in the grass, and this is where it goes in. You can see this is my normal or my original setup where I had to move this every time I cut the grass. So that was kind of a pain, and that's one of the things I'm trying to avoid. First part, you just start digging your trench. I had to buy myself the PVC pipe. I bought a 10-foot length. So won't bore you with all of this. I decided to get out my mantis to make this go a little bit quicker. So you'll see that coming up. So here I got the mantis, and that made it a heck of a lot easier. Unfortunately, I hit my tape measure there and pretty much ruined that. Okay, at this point I have the trench pretty much dug. Okay, there was, it was pretty much done. The next part, I put the pipe in. You have to make sure there's a slope, so there is some moving of rocks and more dirt around. There I got all the pieces installed. And the fun part begins when I had to start pushing all the dirt back, which gets very heavy. And here's the finished product. And then I put some grass seed down, and unfortunately, you'll see I haven't cut my grass in a little while, so it's pretty high. All in all, pretty easy job. Definitely recommend it. It is doing its, the purpose. It's succeeding, so it's good.